ARITWA University mwanya baraba gwataga mbaru kiama kia UDA BAUGITE Ûgambi bwa rais bokwaranira na Azimio na njira ya mbunge niyo njira iria injega. ARITWA BAUGITE maandamano JATINA machiara Kinya jariko na Kinya nija kwangaratania mantu kathumba bakiuga Kinya kithomo nigikuringika anene. Anthony Kathenya na ripoti ja.
Ngwatanĩro ya ARITWA University mwanya baraba kugwata mbaru kiama kia UDA ni bakathite garia ria rais William Ruto ria gwitikira kwithira kwina walanĩria gatigati ka thirikari na bandi ndegani na thirikari gwetukira bunge rwalero rukwirigirwo kwambiria kagita konde gatigati ga ntereno jiri batongeretu ni mukhirigitwa Daniel Wafula ARITWA barugite gari lele ligateithire kuthiria mathina maria makwinyiria ndeno muno kire ARITWA.
First of all, I want to appreciate the Honorable His Excellency the President Dr. Ruto for giving room for talks in this country and inviting the opposition led by the Honorable Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga for the talks. What now we call the bipartisan talks. Of course, from the word bipartisan, it involves two parties.
Tukae chini tuweze kusikizana na vile serikali imeweza kuwaita mrengo huu mwingine na huu mwingine kuungana wakaongeleka kupitia kwa njia bipartisan wanavyosema na kimombo. Wacha tukatumie constitutionally. Hakuna njia ya kando, tusikizane constitutionally na najua kwamba tutaelewana. Sisi sote si kwamba sisi ni maadui. Wacha wanafunzi wote tuweze kuungana wa mrengo huu na huu mwingine tuweze kusongesha Kenya yetu mbele.
Na kagita kala mutongeri wa ngwatanĩro Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Amolo Odinga agwite ngwatanĩro eno kiethiro kithina mbele na maandamano nyume ya mweri wa Ramadhan ARITWA barugite gari lele ria gucokera maandamano tiriega aitha ngwatanĩro Azimio ibatire kugwatira rwalelo kienda gutigira kwena kwigujana gatigati ka bande ino jiri.
It is only in parliament that any sane and sober discussion can be done. It's only in parliament where we have enactment of acts. Today we are ailing through maybe the high cost of living because of the Finance Act that was enacted by the Honorable, the ex-president Uhuru Kenyatta. We are ailing because of those taxes.
Tunaumia sana na tunauchungu sana kwa kupoteza mwanafunzi mwenzetu kule Maseno ambaye aliweza kuuawa katika maandamano. Hivi basi tunapinga vikali haya maandamano. Ataingawa kuna mambo ambayo hayaendi kulingana na matakwa yetu, ni vyema sana kwamba tukae chini tuzungumze kama watu wazima. Si bora kwenda njiani na kupigana ndiposa tuweze kusikizwa.
Ngwatanĩro ARITWA baba aitha ni inyirite Ruto nabo bawe kanyaga kwerithia mathina mao kagita kalwa lelulu kiendeno ithiro injira emwe ya kuthiria mathina maria makuba inyiria tawagibwa mbesa ja help.
It is not only about help. We have literally so many issues affecting us. Let's not just prioritize help. As we're talking, the government is working to ensure that help is given to the ones that are supposed to be given.
As a caucus, we have deliberate plans to engage the leaderships of the parliament geared towards maybe digitization of the National Employment Authority. We bring on board the trade unions, we bring on board the private sector to see that as a government we can be able to look for job opportunities for these comrades in the universities.
Kuma muji munana Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.